Welcome to the Israelite Youth Entrepreneurial Training Program. This is Brother Cliff. Good afternoon to everyone. This is Brother Cliff once more. I just want to show you my bicycle trailer. First of all, I want to start off with the bicycle. This is a gas bicycle, the 2-stroke 80cc, and is a cruise bicycle. Now I'm not using the engine on the bicycle at the moment, but what I did is I built this bicycle trailer to do some transporting. So let me start from the back. These are two 16 bicycle wheels, and what I did is use two pieces of metal. Use two pieces of metal to bolt them on to a 2x4, and this is all pallet. This is all pallet that I made it up. So I bolt the metal onto the 2x4, and then I screw in the wheels into a piece of metal. Now, this is a platform that I built, and these is just the 4 doors. Now I put 2 latch here so that I can pull it down in case I want, in case I want to pull it down. And these 3 are not to pull down. Now, these are 2 pieces of metal that went from here right into the back to support the whole trailer. Now, this is a wheel. This wheel is one of the wheels that it moves around, so that when the bicycle go left or right, it moves with the bicycle. The trailer moves with the bicycle. So I drill 4 holes here to actually keep this station and tight onto the metal here that runs on the trailer. Now, this is a piece of strip of metal where I bolt onto the trailer up onto the bicycle. I bought all of these metal strips and tighten it onto the bicycle to actually pull the trailer. Use just a ring nut to tighten this and keep this on, and basically that is it. can see in an early video that it is working pretty good. Maybe one day I'll upgrade it to something better, but it's working pretty good right now, and I love it. So guys, if you like it, just give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll be making more things. All the wood are pallet wood. All the wood is pallet wood. So I'm just going to be putting a few things in here and transporting. So this is my bicycle trailer, and it gives me a lot of problems. I had to go back to the drawing board here, there, so on. But I'm happy now that it's finished, and it is really good. I learned that the hard work. For you to get something good, you gotta work hard for it. So thank you for listening and watching. Bye.